22 question. Secant square of 7 minus 4x. We know secant square x formula. So that 7 minus 4x I am assuming t. So derivative on both sides, 7 derivative 0 minus 4 into x derivative dx equals to dt. Next to minus 4 taken right side, so dx is equals to minus 1 by 4 into dt. Now integration of secant square of 7 minus 4x into dx equals to integration of secant square of 7 minus 4x is d, dx is equals to minus 1 by 4 into dt. Minus 1 by 4 constant, you write before integral, minus 1 by 4 into integration of secant square into dt. Minus 1 by 4 into integration of secant square t, tan t. So plus constant, integral constant. Minus 1 by 4 into tan of t equals to what? 7 minus 4x plus c is the answer. Next to 23rd question. Sin inverse of square root of 1 minus x square. Sin inverse of x derivative what? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So that sin inverse of x we assume as the derivative on both sides. Sin inverse of x derivative 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into dx is equals to dt. Now question integration of sin inverse of x by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. This is equals to what I have written, sin inverse of x and 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into dx I have written together here. Next, so that is equals to integration of t equals t, sin inverse of x is equals to what? T 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx is dt. So integration of t into dt, t nothing but t power of 1. So t power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So t square by 2 plus c. Substitute t value. T equal to what? Sin inverse of x. So sin inverse of x whole square by 2 plus c is the answer. 24th question. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. So this is the question. So integration we need to find here. Numerator as it is, in denominator I taken common 2. So remaining 3 cos x here plus remaining 2 sin x. 2 I taken common. So 1 by 2 before integral constant, integration of numerator as it is, denominator remaining 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Now denominator I am assuming t. Denominator 3 cos x plus 2 sin x I am assuming as a t. Derivative on both sides. 3 into cos x derivative minus sin x. Next 2 into sin x derivative cos x. Overall x derivative dx equals to t derivative dt. So the 1 by 2 into numerator equals to what we got here? Tt. Next to denominator we assumed as t. So 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by 3 dt log mod t plus c. So that is equals to 1 by 2 into log of, you substitute t value, that is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. This is the answer. 25th question. 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square. Now we need to find this one integral. 1 by cos nothing but secant. So secant square of x dx by 1 minus tan x. So 1 minus tan x you assume as the next derivative on both sides. 1 derivative 0 minus tan x derivative secant square x. X derivative dx equals to t derivative is dt. Minus is taken right side. So secant square x dx is equals to minus dt. Now this is equals to integration of secant square x dx is equals to what? Minus dt. Denominator, this 1 minus tan x is equals to t. So this is equals to t square. Nothing but this is t power of minus 2. Minus t power of minus 2 into dt. T power of minus 2. T power of minus 2 equals to what? T power of minus 2. This is t minus of t power of. This in the form of x to the power of n. X to the power of n integration x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So t power of minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. So minus minus get cancelled. T power of minus 1 is equals to 1 by t plus c. So 1 by t equals to what? What we assume to t? 1 minus tan x plus c is the answer. Next to 26th question. Cos of root x by root x. Root x we assume as t. Derivative on both sides. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. X derivative dx equals to t derivative dt. Now denominator 2 is taken right side. So 1 by root x into dx is equals to 2 dt. Now question, integration of cos root x by root x into dx equals to cos root x into 1 by root x into dx is equals to what? 2 dt. So 2 dt. Cos t 2 dt. 2 before integral, 2 into integration of cos t into dt. 2 into integration of cos t sin t plus c. So 2 into sine of substitute t is root x plus c is the answer.